He is the visionary leader. India's economy under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership surged ahead in 2025, defying global slowdowns with robust growth, record investments, and transformative reforms.
गरीबी क्या होती है मुझे किताबों में पढ़ना नहीं पड़ा है, मैं जानता हूं। सरकार में भी रहा हूं और इसलिए मेरी कोशिश रही है कि सरकार फाइलों में नहीं होनी चाहिए। सरकार देश के नागरिकों की लाइफ में होनी चाहिए।
And within months of this, Modi government brought in GST 2.0 right before the Diwali. Launched on 22nd September 2025 by the GST Council, it simplified the tax structure and reduced compliance burdens. It replaced the previous multi-slab rates with a streamlined two-slab system of 5% for essentials and 18% for most goods and services, plus a 40% rate for sin and luxury items like tobacco. Indian GDP expanded by 7.2% for the fiscal year, outpacing major economies and hitting 380 lakh crore rupees. This marked the fifth consecutive year of 7% plus growth, fueled by manufacturing and services sectors. The Make in India 2.0 initiative drew $120 billion in foreign direct investment, with semiconductors and green energy leading the charge. Foxconn and TSMC expanded plants in Gujarat and Karnataka, creating 2.5 lakh jobs.
विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए न हम रुकेंगे न हम झुकेंगे। हम परिश्रम की पराकाष्ठा करते रहेंगे और अपनी आंखों के सामने 2047 में विकसित भारत बना करके रहेंगे।
Unemployment dipped to a historic low of 4.1%. Inflation stabilized at 4.2% within RBI's target as food production hit record highs from monsoon successes and agri reforms.
भारत के किसान, भारत के मछुआरे, भारत के पशुपालक, उनसे जुड़ी किसी भी अहितकारी नीति के आगे मोदी दीवार बन के खड़ा है।
Infrastructure spending crossed 12 lakh crore rupees, completing 5,000 kilometers of highways and 150 gigawatts of renewable capacity, pushing India's energy mix to 45% green. Exports rose 15% to $850 billion, diversifying into EVs and pharma. Critics note rural distress lingers, but economists project 7.5% growth in 2026 under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.